only one good decisions, nothing else, right?
Sir, I have also done diploma before BTech.
Okay, you also
So,
have done diploma. Many of the
yes,
electrical
sir.
students came from diploma to BTech, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you are sitting in a class, somebody from 12th and you from diploma, so what basically you feel? You both the feel at a same pace, or uh, sometime your thought process and the uh, intelligence regarding the subjects may differ.
Yeah, it does differ, sir, because we have already studied almost everything once in diploma curriculum.
Diploma, it means 3 year of course, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have learned something more than anybody else who is coming from 12th, right?
Sir, if I talk about right now, since we are in fourth year, so I think
Now you
everybody.
all are at a now you all are at the same pace.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why you are at the same pace? Because at the initial phase, you were having slightly more knowledge than the 12th holders. So you also have got the same time what a 12th student has got. So you must have a more knowledge than the 12th class student who has come for the engineering, because you are
Yes, sir.
getting 7 year of exposure about technical, sorry, 6 year of exposure. He is having 5 year of exposure about technical aspects.
Yes, sir.
So why it is like so? Why you both are at the same pace? You don't want to
Sir,
learn more, or he has learned more than anybody coming from diploma?
yes, sir. I do want to learn more, but I think it gives a slight edge, but it doesn't make that much of a difference, I think.
Okay. At the final phase, you both are at a same level, right? So something for diploma, I think somebody coming from diploma, they has to get some advantages in numbers, right? That policy has to come forward.
No, sir.
Okay. Many of the students from after diploma, they start working. They never come for the
Yes, sir.
BTech. They also gradually
Yes, sir.
grow. So you have also not thought about it.
No, sir.
Then after BTech, you will again think for going for masters, because you only have done graduation. You will not come for the job.
Sir, but the job that I'll be getting after graduation degree would be satisfactory enough for me to at least start.
Okay. How you can calculate it in advance that it will be satisfactory before joining into the organization? Only by seeing the salary and the package.
Yeah, sir, actually.
Satisfaction comes after when we experiment it, right? Then we feel
Yes, sir.
whether it is satisfying us or not.
Yes, sir.
Without experiencing it, how we can justify it that whether it will be satisfying whatever jobs we have opted for?
Yes, sir. So I'll have to get the job and then experience it.
Okay. Then if it will not satisfy, then we will go for higher studies, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The interviewer also, you will give the same response that I'll go for high studies if your job will not satisfy me.
Yes, sir. No.
You also has got confused. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Parvinder, apart from educational, what uh, extracurricular activities you are involved in that, uh,
Uh,
which you feel that
um,
it is something contributory in your growth and in your skill development?
yeah, sir. I actually play badminton. I have played at state level in under 17. I went for state in 2016. And I also play basketball.
Or what is your aim of life? Only going to get entry in secure, or anything more than that?
Right now, it's getting a job in secure, and I have not thought about uh, for too long, I think.
For example, you are getting trained for secure, and in mid of during the training, you get an opportunity from Google. Somebody come from Google, talk to you on call, and they say to you that we are offering you a job. Now you have to
Yes,
leave
sir.
the secure training. What will you do?
Sir, how would they offer me a job directly?
ऑफर आने के लिए क्या किस्मत किसी की चमकती है, पूछ के थोड़ी चमकती है, वो तो किस्मत तो चमक जाती है.
Okay, sir, then I'll go for Google.
Okay, then you will go for Google. Okay. But Google, nowhere it is related with your stream. What you will do in Google? You will again make an app and something related to the software field, not about your electrical engineering. Then, but Google is Google, right?
That,
So you will go for
that's
it.
why I was saying, sir, why
There's no
would
matter.
they come?
Huh?
That's why I was saying, why would they come and offer me a job like that?
क्यों गूगल वाले इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर को नहीं लेते क्या?
Sir, but they also require knowledge about coding and software development.
ओके, तो वो तो आपका प्रियांशु तो बोल रहा था कि हमारा सब इलेक्ट्रिकल के बच्चों को कोडिंग वोडिंग सब आता है, पाइथन वाइथन हर कोई नॉलेज है, मेरे को भी है, दूसरों को भी है.
We have knowledge about C, C++, but not necessarily about Python and Java, those languages.
ओके, which are the companies competitor of secures, genuine competitors?
Uh, Sir, I actually don't have knowledge about that.
Okay, so you have not done the thorough study of secure meters.
Sir, I have searched about basic things about secure, but not about the competitors. And
What is your percentage you have in BTech, Parvendra?
sir, it's till 6 sem, it's 9.4 CGPA aggregate.
Okay.
So it's around 89.6%.
कोई ऐसा आपको पूछे कि यार कुछ आपको अलग से हम और कुछ सिखाएंगे, आपको क्या सीखना चाहोगे, आप जो आप सीखना चाहोगे सिखाएंगे, तो क्या सीखना चाहोगे आप अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस इंजीनियरिंग एंड ऑल अदर स्टफ्स?
I would
और क्यों?
love to learn music,
और क्यों?
sir, because I love music. I like listening to music, and
ओनली लिसनिंग और
I
सिंगिंग ऑल्सो यू लव?
no, sir, I don't sing, but uh, I was interested in playing drums when I was in 10th and after that.
ओके, और यू आर फ्रॉम उदयपुर, परविंद्र?
Yeah, sir, I actually live in Rajsamand.
ओके, that's, so for example secure give you joining and they are,
Yes, sir.
for example they are starting their new office in Kochi, that is in Kerala, right?
Yes, sir.
They will give transport to you as a GET after
Yes,
getting selections. Then you will prefer that locations. You don't have any kind of issues on that.
sir. Yeah, I think I'll have to manage that.
Okay. Manage what? Job or you will not go for it?
Sir, I'll go for it. Yeah,
Okay.
I'll have to manage staying in Kochi and the job.
You don't have any issues about the locations.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, Parvinder. Nice talking to you.
So this is about the GET interview for secure meters. So tell me about yourself, Ravindra.
So my name is Pravendra Mishra, and I live in Rajsamand. I'm pursuing my BTech degree in electrical engineering from Geetanjali Institute of Technical Studies. And I have done multiple courses. One is with Vision Automation Solutions about industrial automation and panel wiring. And second, I have done in Udaipur Smart City Limited. And the third one I have done in PLC SCADA, also industrial automation.
Right. So tell me more about the work that you have done in PLC SCADA.
In PLC, yeah, sir. The PLC SCADA, basically we studied about the PLC, the device, and the SCADA system that it's basically a software that we design, that we use different it's all based on application. So if we have to design, suppose a factory's layout, so we first design it in a SCADA software about how everything will work, and then we actually realize it.
तो उसमें did you get a chance to do anything?
Sir, we worked on the SCADA software, but
What did you
not
do on
actually
SCADA? तुमने क्या किया?
So we made a conveyor belt system, which on which we using a clamp, it used to lift a bottle up and it put it on the conveyor belt, and it would like move on the conveyor belt.
So so did this? So you created the design out of this,
Yes, sir.
and you created a prototype also. उसको बना के देखा या खाली डिजाइन ही बनाया कंप्यूटर पे?
Sir, we only designed it in the software.
तो ये कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा तुम्हारा डिजाइन सही था, रोबस्ट था, सही? कैसे अपना डिजाइन कैसे इवैल्यूएट करोगे? अगर तुम R&D में काम करते हो और एक तुम अपना डिजाइन बनाते हो किसी प्रोडक्ट का, तो कैसे इवैल्यूएट करोगे कि ये सही डिजाइन है?
Sir, we'll have to verify it.
Verify with
And
what?
verified with sir, we'll have some standard data already
So
with us.
So what standard data is critical for you to see whether the design is good?
Sir, it should be efficient.
What is
And
efficiency? What is efficiency?
Efficiency, sir, is output upon input if we go by the formula. So
Right.
it's how much output we are getting per the input that we are giving to the system.
Okay. So it should be efficient. What else should it be?
It should be mainly it should be efficient. It should also be it should be consistent with the output.
What else? So what is difference between consistency and quality?
Quality, the consistency is the rate at which the system will give you the same result. That is the consistency. And quality is actually the quality of the output. So quality cannot always be mean that it is consistent.
So is it possible that I give low quality output consistently?
Yes.
It is possible. So what is
Yes.
more important, consistency or quality?
So both are important.
Between the two, what is more important? Is it good if I give you consistently low quality or if I give you inconsistently high quality? What would you prefer?
Inconsistent high quality.
So if you're getting inconsistent high quality, how would you improve the consistency of your quality?
I will read about it.
You'll have to read
No.
about it. Okay. Right. Acha, so tell me, why should we hire you as a GET at Secure Meters in R&D department?
Yes, sir. I have, sir, good knowledge about electronics, which is obvious about transistors and such devices. And sir, I am a hardworking person. And yeah, sir.
So what is most important for an R&D engineer, hardworking or something else? What are the qualities needed for an R&D engineer?
They should always be hardworking, and they should also be smart working.
What is smart working?
The smart working
smart
is
working,
smart working would refer to doing things in a smarter way instead of just putting in the work.
So what is smart work? How can the work be smart?
I cannot tell.
You cannot tell that. All right, Pravendra,